in my last video. Boom! Come on, you got that seesaw motion. Okay, every champion has to go through a struggle, okay? Is anybody else playing Pokemon Sword and Shield? Because I've had it since Friday, and I am obsessed. I just defeated Milo last night, and I Dynamaxed. That was a really fun gimmick. I feel like a little rabbit with my little stash of apples and carrots. Little bunny. Time to dig in.
Let's see if we can like.
There we go. Get the guts. This is so tender and soft. It's like shredded butternut squash. Like fall off the skin squash. Yum.
I gotta say, honestly, the apple is my favorite part.
It just has a burst of flavor. Because you have something here that's so savory, but the apple gives it a little bit of a sweet kick, and I really like that. I think it's really good. So my friends, I hope you have a fantastic rest of your week. Whether you celebrate Thanksgiving, or just the holidays, or just, you know what, a Friendsgiving, I hope it's amazing. And I hope these recipes have given you some inspiration or have encouraged you to try making something new. And I hope you really, really like it. If you've been watching this series, what's your favorite recipe so far? If you haven't seen any of the episodes, or if you need to catch up, click a link. It's gonna be somewhere. Later this week, my goal is to upload one more main dish, and then next week, my plan is to have 1 or 2 desserts. So stay tuned, I'm really excited for that. Thank you so much for following me. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your week. If you try this recipe, let me know. I want to know how it turned out. And until next time, my friends,